paint on my face. Good morning, everyone! Today we are heading up to the farm in Indang, Cavite, where our family farm is located and where our Jolly's mushroom chicharron is manufactured. It is just a wonderful, beautiful day out today. The sun is shining, and I wanted to show you guys just the beautiful nature that we have here in the Philippines, or part of it that's nearby in the city, and just the road trip along the way. So let's go. Actually, I'm waiting for my mom at the moment because she's going to be picking me up on the way. But once she is here, we will get started on our little adventure road trip for today. We are on our way to the farm with Mama. But first we will be stopping over in Tagaytay. We're here making a delivery. Hello! In a pasalubong store, which is basically people come up here and buy snacks, and we're just dropping some off here in Tagaytay because there are a lot of stores like this here. This is one of them that sells our products that people can buy and bring home. I'm not gonna lie, I feel quite car sick right now because I was writing receipts while we were on the way here. But have a look. Here's some of the products that they have. This is Florantes, one of the places that sells our products. Here at the farm, here's my cousin Rika. She will be giving us the tour in a bit, but this is what it looks like. I love pineapples, but I've never seen a pineapple this size. Pineapple! I swear, I'm here for business purposes. Just have to have a little bit of fun though once in a while. Right, Rika?
Yep.
So we're walking here with Rika, my cousin. How old are you, Rika?
9 years old.
9 years old. And she is going to school here in Indang, right?
Yep.
What's your favorite subject?
Math.
Math? Are you good?
Yep.
Yeah. We're going to go interview, or let's just say introduce you to some of the people that stay here at the farm. I just want you to see and introduce you to them because they're wonderful people. Let's go! Hello! This is my uncle, Tito Reggie, my cousin Ken, and a while ago you saw Kuya Julius. Ken, do you have a shout out for someone?
Shout out sa PDE, Team Pandesal at Palaman.
Shoutout ako sa mga friend natin sa sa mga Quezon City, diyan sa Italy, diyan sa Amerika. Mga kapatid natin diyan. Ha?
He's running for mayor. Just kidding.
No.
And Kuya Julius, do you have a shout out to your wonderful family?
Yes, shout out ako sa mga anak ko dyan. Si Miguel, si Peter, si Moy, si Jana. Magpakabait kayo dyan. Keep safe. At safe kaming lahat dito.
Yes. Thank you so much. That is the wonderful family that we have here. Hello, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you have a shout out? This is Jumper. Do you have shout out to anyone? No? Okay. Nice to see you again. How about you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you have a shout out for anyone? No, why? Tabi-tabi po, no. Right? No. There is a superstition here in the Philippines, and you have to say that. It's basically like saying excuse me to the nature elves, I think. Oh, it's Guyabano. This isn't highlight, everyone. It's sweat. Maraming vegetables. Gulay, that's the word. Don't we look alike? Gusto ka po kayo? Kumusta na po kayo? Try to converse in Tagalog because, yeah, TikTok it, girl. Whoop. I had an ant on my face. I'm trying to get an interview with these guys, so hopefully they will want to talk to me this time. We're in the Philippines. Asan sa Philippines? Where are you from in the Philippines?
Zamboangeño.
All of you?
Yes,
And what dialect or language do you speak there?
Zamboangeño.
Jabacano. Can you teach me a word in Jabacano?
Buenas tardes.
You speak Spanish?
Buenas tardes.
Really? That's Spanish.
It's
Wow.
like Spanish.
Wow, that's so cool. Buenos tardes means?
Good afternoon.
Oh, okay. What about, how do you say beautiful? Bonita. It's so cool. This is JR. I introduced these guys a while ago. They're awesome guys. Swadika. Speaks Thai as well, apparently. Yeah, but they've been with us for, how many years have you been here in Indang? 1 year.
3 years.
3 years. 3 years, yeah. So they've been part of our family. I want to hear more Jabacano.
¿Qué tal ustedes? Alina Zamboanga, di mi mga hermano, hermana, mi nana, todo ali, mga de Zamboangeños. Thank you.
How about you guys?
¿Qué tal vos otros? ¿Qué tal vos otros? Alina Zamboanga. Man, ¿qué tal mi tata? Tiene cuidado alipir mi aquel.
Wow. Jeffer.
Buenas tardes, Alina todos Zamboanga, pati yung mga barkada tata, y hermano. And shout out, Tyro Ginty.
Aww.
It really hurts ang magmahal ng ganito. Kung sino pang pinili kong hindi makuha ng buo. Hanggang ganun na lang nga, kailangan ko tong tanggapin. Nasa po.
Wow. Thank you. Follow them on TikTok. We have one more person that we need to add to our team members. Kuya Mark, who's been doing a 90-day push-up, 90 days push-up challenge recently. So you can check out his videos on Facebook.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Mark Tato in Las Piñas. Shoutout sa mga kamag-anak ko dyan sa Las Piñas at lalong-lalo sa mahal kong ina at sa tatay ko. Share the love.
Yeah, share the love, everyone. Thank you, Kuya Mark. Wonderful people and just so friendly all the time. So it's such a great time to get to know them. And especially, they've been such hardworking people during this pandemic. So it's great for them to give a shout out to their family members and their friends wherever they are. We have come to the end of our pleasant trip today to the farm and to Tagaytay, and it's raining at the moment, very relaxing, and it's bad weather really, so we're going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.